And today it's the 20th of March 2022. We have Minkkitie, Minkvägen 9 Stekistie. This is the only stekis with an elevator in this residential building. And they're still original today. But we have, I think, 3 more. But sadly they had been replaced. So this is the last Series 1 elevator here in Korso, Vantaa, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaaniland, Finland. And this was built by Valmet Otis in late 1990, 30 years old in 2020. It's going to be inspected this year, 2022, and the serial number is B1E0664. And this is for Korso TV as well, of course. He should also film it when he can later.
Yeah.
As long as it's the original. Deserves 2 rights. Great speed.
Yeah.
But we have also filled 3 floors with this.
Inspected by QA inspectant, maintained by Schindler.
That was with Otis 2000 in Oulu. From early 1999 it was only 3 floors and this fast.
Yes.
Right. Sadly the floor 1 light is broken. Let me change it.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, as it was the only one and the last original Series 1 elevator in Korso.
That's